Hi, I'm QDC. So in this video, what you're about to see is basically a tour of the historic ship called the Cutty Sark in pictures. A while back ago, I actually made a model kit from Academy of the Cutty Sark. This is it, but I've never had a chance to actually see the real ship. Recently, I went to London and went to into Greenwich and actually saw the real Cutty Sark. It's a very interesting ship, and I just think that my viewers, you would be interested in seeing the tour of this historic ship. So without further ado, please enjoy this video. Thank you very much. Hi, I'm QDC. Right now we're in London, England, and right now we're on board the Cutty Sark here in Greenwich. So I didn't bring my video equipment with me, so I'm actually recording this on my iPhone. So this is going to be really a tour of the ship through pictures. So I hope you enjoy it.